guys, welcome back to my beginner lash extension technique series. Today we're going to be talking about the fan and grab. This one is the fastest and most streamlined way to fan. What you're going to need is a tray of volume lashes and your boot tweezer. All your products are linked below. Let's go ahead and get started. Pull lashes from the side of the strip that matches your dominant hand. Next, use the tip of the tweezers to create a small gap sectioning off the lashes you want to include and lift just so slightly so the bases stay on the strip. Next, you are going to run the tip over the base of the lashes to open the fans up off to the side. You can also try wiggling back and forth to perfect. Do not freak out if the lashes aren't perfectly spaced. You can use the tips of the tweezers to open up and perfect. Lastly, you're going to angle your tweezers to position halfway down the fan and pull up and off the strip towards your body. All right, so that's the fan and grab technique. If you guys want to learn more about this and our other techniques, make sure that you sign up for our online campus, linked below. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at borboleta.artist, where we post inspo, blueprints, and how-tos. Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see more of next time. Thanks, you guys.